Welcome back to my channel. So my camera is currently on super low battery, so I'm gonna film this super speedy, try get it done. But basically today we filmed this skull, half face kind of thing, full face kind of, I don't know. If you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. I was inspired by a blog post that I saw on Beauty Bay when I was doing some shopping the other day, so I'll leave that in the description box if you want to see that. All credit goes to the original artist on that. Yeah, if you guys do want to see how I done this, please just keep on watching. If you are new, please remember to like, subscribe, comment and share this video with all your friends. Turn my little post notification bell as well. If you recreate it, please tag me on your photos on Instagram. All my social medias are in the description box below. And that is all the promo that we are doing for this intro. So if you want to see how to get this look, please just keep on watching. Yeah, so I'm gonna do like an easy half skull kind of thing. I hope it's easy because I've never practiced it before, so this could go very wrong, but let's just hope it doesn't. Okay, so I am going to take this gel eyeliner. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills gel eyeliner, and I'm gonna start applying that over the eye, which I haven't got eye makeup on. And let's see how this goes, I guess. I'm scared. So I'm gonna take this all the way up to my eyebrow. This is gonna be so hard to get off. I'm gonna add a drop of this oil from Beauty Bakery because I forgot to put the lid on my gel eyeliner and it's dried up a little bit. So yeah, hopefully this should make it a little bit less dry. So I'm just sort of creating like a circular shape and I'm taking this into my eyebrow, which I feel like I'm gonna regret doing, but yeah. I'm gonna outline this first maybe. I'm gonna use this brush. This is a Morphe M160 1/8, long name. But I'm gonna like sketch out the shape a bit better. So yeah, I'm just filling that in with the same gel eyeliner. So I'm just gonna sketch an outline on this eye now. Right, so we've got that now. Okay, so now we're gonna create the nose. I'm gonna use the same gel eyeliner, I think. So guys, I'm actually gonna use my liquid eyeliner. This is the Kat Von D Tattoo. No, it's the ink liner, this one actually. The ink, like, yeah, the ink liner. I bought this one by mistake. But I'm just gonna go ahead and sort of like sketch out the nose. Oh, I've got clean hair. Oh my god. I'm gonna create the like some cracks coming down from it. I'm gonna use my liquid again. So I'm gonna draw the teeth on now. I'm gonna use this for it. And I'm not gonna talk because obviously I'm drawing them on my mouth, but let's see how this goes. Alright, so I'm now going to fill that in with the white. So I'm just going to use white face paint. Snazzaroo! And look at that, it even comes with a little brush. How handy dandy. So I'm going to dip it in water and then just... I'm going to dip it in some water in my little holographic unicorn cup. I know you're all jealous. Urban Outfitters home. So yeah, I'm just going to run that in the white Snazzaroo face paint. Okay, so I filled them in now. They're not amazing, but they're teeth. So now we're gonna go on to like this part of my face, like the contour part of my face. And my camera is flashing red, let me charge you. Okay, so I'm now gonna create like lines under my cheekbones here on both sides of my face. I'm gonna use my gel eyeliner again and just gonna draw like lines, I guess. I'm going to go in with a little bit of the black shade from the Anastasia Beverly Hills lip palette. This will just help blend it easier. I'm also going to take this downwards, like, and then along my jawline. And then I'm going to blend this out using the funky shade from the, what is this? Carnival palette by Stacey Marie. This is on a Morphe like E27 or something. Also, sorry if I'm not talking very much in this because I'm kind of figuring out how to do it as well as I go through, so. So I'm mixing together the purple and white shades from the Anastasia lip palette, and I'm gonna use these to create like a purpley lilac kind of shade. I'm gonna go in like above this. Okay, so we're almost done. I feel like that's a completely different angle than it was before. Okay guys, so to finish off the makeup, I'm gonna stick on some drawing pins, which I've taken the back off of. Bit of a mish that was, but Julie helped me, so you know, we love a supportive sister. I'm just gonna coat them in a bit of liquid latex. Oh, this stinks, this stuff, doesn't it? Oh, love that. And yeah, I'm just gonna poke them into my skin. Oh, and now it's sticking to me. See, this is why I hate doing special effects stuff. It just gets so sticky. I'm gonna stick one of them right here. So yeah, I'm literally just using like a long little paintbrush thing that I just got in a craft shop, and I'm just painting the back of it and then just sticking it on, like sort of balancing it, and then just... Oh, okay, this one doesn't want to stick. She's like, no sister, not today. She's like, I'm gonna make you look really unprofessional, like you don't know what you're doing. I see you, sister. Yeah, I prefer that. Oh, hello, my camera's flashing. Outro now. All right, guys, so that is it for today's video. My camera is literally about to die, so I'm gonna film this outro super quickly. If you guys did enjoy this video, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe if you are new here. Remember to turn on my little post notification bell as well. That way you don't miss any of my uploads. If you do recreate it, please do tag me in your photos on Instagram. Social media is in the description box. Let me know if there's any other Halloween makeup looks that you wanna see, and I'll make sure to film them for you guys. They don't even have to be makeup looks, just any Halloween videos that you want to see specifically. And yeah, I think that's it for today. I hope you have an amazing rest of the day, rest of the week, rest of the year, wherever you may be in the world, and I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, love you. Mwah.